Hello everybody, welcome to the new video where I can show you through a Python code how we can generate web portfolios through the URL. If you just want to send the URL to your client and that is a hectic thing, why not we should just make a PDF and send to them as a portfolio. And that was also a very difficult and long task to copy this URL to the web browser, take a screenshot, and then make a PDF. So what I have done in this file, I have pasted all the URL that is needed to show as a portfolio, okay, in a urls.txt file, and my Python code will run that URL one by one in a background and take a picture of that as a screenshot. After that, our script will be completed and it will generate a PDF file. So let's just have a look on that. So here I have web2 PDF folder, and I have just in the same directory, and I need to just write here python code.py. Once I enter that, so what it will do, it will goes to this urls.txt file. After that, it will be inside that, get the first URL, open that, and take a screenshot of that like this way in a zero. And then after the second one, the second, third one, and fourth one, it will just make the screenshot one by one. And I have just also print something here, generated screenshot for this as a print command. So once all the URL will be done and taken by screenshot, so it will make a PDF file that will be a combined screenshots file, and it will be easy for ourselves to send our client as a portfolio. So once all our URL will be done, and it will now generate a client portfolio.pdf file. If I open that out, so it's here very nicely generated a PDF file over here. And we can just send that in a one click to our client to show them a web portfolio. So let's just have a look on the code, what we have used inside the code. So here we have a web driver that is used for the Chrome options to open our URLs, and then after manage our URL. And for this screenshot taking, we have a library called PIL that will take a screenshot of that. And time is used for the delay that I have set up the delay of 3 seconds as a sleep command over here. So it will be comes from the time library, and there is a function available with the def. I have defined a function that will read the URL from the url.txt file. After that, it will convert that into an array and return an array to this variable. And there is a function that also defined to convert that to by taking the screenshot into the PDF. So it will call here and passing the URL and any name you can just pass over here, like client portfolio.pdf. And once it is passed over here, so after that, Chrome options will have the options, and then after headless and window size, what size of screenshot you want to take, and then it will run the service and the background that will initially install the driver and temporarily base, and after that take the screenshot of every URL. And there is a loop where each URL is sent to this variable, and after that I have also have a print command over there that is showing over here to what screenshot has been generated. And after all screenshot generated, so what it will do the PDF and combine that out and give us a message at the end that PDF is created. I hope you like this video, because that is a very easy way to combine all the URL, and don't worry about that, just hit a one command and it will generate a PDF. Cool. I will share this code with you. I hope you have the ability to like this video, and I hope to make more video about your interest. Please subscribe to support me more. Thank you so much.